So this is the knit stitch, the way that I do my knit stitches. And I think that I can knit fairly quickly this way, and I want to show you how I knit. It's a certain style of continental knitting, but it's a little bit different. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about tension. So a lot of continental knitters have their yarn out here and they use their tension with their fingers like so, but I'm not going to get into that because I don't knit that way. So what I do is my yarn and my finger are very close to my needle like so, and I use this finger to keep the tension, and the yarn just falls through my hand like this. Okay, so that is my left hand. My finger is close to the needle, my index finger, and the yarn goes under my index finger and then just down my hand like that way. And then my right hand, this index finger works this needle, and then my thumb helps guide these stitches. So if I'm going to do this in slow motion, I'm going to show you how I knit. So I take my index finger and I put my needle through the stitch, and then I move this, my right hand, and I grab the yarn and then I pull it through. So I also use my index finger here to sometimes push that needle through. Okay, and then I push these stitches up with my thumb, and I also use this thumb to hold these stitches on. So using my index finger, I put my needle, right needle through the stitch, twist my wrist here a little bit, grab the yarn and pull it through like so. And then this thumb moves up on these stitches and this one moves back here. And same thing, put my needle through my stitch, grab my yarn, pull it through. And you can see how quickly that this can go. So both my thumbs are working. This one is pushing these stitches up and this one is holding these stitches like this. And I find that it can go really, really quickly. So give it a whirl and let me know what you think.